Hello, my name is Carly Delgado, and I will be either teaching your student Math 2 or AP Calculus this semester. I wanted to take a minute to go over my syllabus like I normally would in person. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see my email address and a phone number where you can reach me. Feel free to contact me anytime you need. This semester, we're going to be using Canvas daily. This is where your students will be taking notes, watching videos, doing practice assignments, and submitting assignments. Every day has been set up the same pretty much to keep consistency. So your students will be going into Canvas and completing the work in there. Every Friday, your students will be taking a quiz to assess their understanding of that week's work, and we'll discuss those quiz results later in the following week. The topics for the first 6 weeks in Math 2 can be found down here, and then for Calculus, those topics for the first 6 weeks can be found right there. The supplies needed for this class vary, so whether you're hybrid or whether you're virtual only. So if you are in class with me, you need pencils and erasers and virtual. You guys both also need fully charged computers, but if you're in class with me one day a week, you need a 2-inch 3-ring binder. I'll be providing you with printed notes each week. If you are virtual only and you are able to print out your notes, then grab yourself a 2-inch 3-ring binder to put those notes in. If you are unable to print your notes, then just take notes in a spiral notebook, and that's fine with me. If you have any issues getting any of these supplies, please let me know, and I'd be more than willing to supply them for you. All right, this is the last slide, and this one's for you, parents. If you could go to this link right here, this big blue link, it's going to bring you to this presentation so that you have access to my contact information and this syllabus. Then I need you to go to this slide and click here. It's going to redirect you to a form where you can give me all of your contact information. It is so important that we stay in contact this semester to ensure your students are successful. I'll be reaching out periodically, but please feel free to reach out to me and do the same. This is going to be a very different and strange semester, but together we're going to get through it. The best thing your students can do is stay positive and put forth their very best effort. I look forward to working with you and seeing your students very soon. Have a good one.